Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Hip Kit Club. I have a mini album to share with you today using the beautiful September hip kits. I will be doing, for the second time this year, I will be using one of the 4x6 Simple Stories flipbooks. I used one before for my May mini album, and I'm gonna do the same thing for September. Now, there'll be a difference on the embellishments that I'll be using, but basically it's the idea of keeping up with my memory planning for 2021 and using my Pocket Life hip kit to do so. Now we start. I'm starting this album by fixing a small mistake right there. This is an easy way to keep up with your memory planning for the year. As I said, the Pocket Life kit is definitely one of my favorites every month. It's making it so enjoyable to have all my memories. Like, I'm just waiting for the end of the month to come so I can print those pictures and I've been using almost all of my Pocket Life cards in different ways. I am using them as a background. I am using them for my journaling, to create frames for my photos, to create layers. I'm using the ones with the messages as just to display and show the message. So there are so many opportunities here. Like, this one will be just for the background, and then it will also go on top of another one. So one thing that I like to do on almost every single project is work on layering, having layers, having lots of texture. And texture can be created by, you will also see a lot of machine stitching details on my layouts and mini albums. And here, as you can see, using 3 Pocket Life cards to come up with that dimension. But it's not crazy that will change, that will look weird on the Pocket Life protector. Now, this month I also used part of the cardstock that is part of the packaging to add some of my journaling, and using one of the Pocket Life cards for the background. And of course, the idea here for me is to share with you different ways to use your kits and how you can create albums from scratch, and how you can use products that you may have because you might have gotten them from different manufacturers. So a 4x4 album is also a great way. Now the 4x6 pre-made albums make sense for me, make it easier for me when it comes to printing the photos. I use what I have at home is a Canon selfie, so printing in sizes such as the 4x6, I can do 4x4, I can do the 3x4s and some smaller photos, so it makes it way easier. If I'm playing with a 4x4 album, for example, I like to mix and have pictures that are a little bit bigger than the actual 4x4, so it's just convenient for me to use this kind of albums. One thing that I wanted to add to this one that I didn't do with the previous album was a flip. Just create a page that flips, and I wanted to add some special memories in there. So I'm using one of the 4x6 pocket life cards that goes inside the pocket, and now I'm fussy cutting the 3x6 card, and I'm going to use each one of these images on my background to decorate, and then I'm going to place my photo on top. And this is going to be, as I said, inside the pocket, and I have the bigger size with the pattern paper that you see that I folded that goes also inside the pocket and flips. Is a 6x8. I think it's a little bit bigger. It's a 6x8.25 page. I just wanted to make sure that when I folded it, that it will come off the envelope. Okay, some puffy sticker, one puffy sticker to finish this page. I think that one went great, just a mix of colors and fonts that made that page really fun. I added some machine stitching details, and I will decorate the front of the card, but I'll show you that on the flip through. And now for the back, I'm just taking my 4x6 photo, and I'm gonna glue that to the back of the pattern paper. Cards, 3x4 cards, I cut from a 3x8 card, and that's how I got the same background on those two. Now I have one of those fabric pockets. I think those are really nice. I cannot wait to use the rest of them. Just decorating that, super simple. And I'm gonna create one more pocket using a smaller photo on the right side. I'm going to use that piece from the cut apart sheet, from the PinkFresh Studio cut apart sheet, and that's where I'm going to write my journaling. And I wanted to also play with this chipboard frame, so I'm using one of them, and I have a Pocket Life card for the background, and here I have one more Pocket Life card. I just added machine stitching details on the border of that tag. So this was a very basic cover, but I did play with mixing and matching some of the different products. In this flip through video, you can see I added one chipboard frame. I have one of the die cuts that goes with the big title. I also added one more fabric embellishment, as well as one of the wooden numbers. So the number 9 is for the month, so I can remember when I see the mini album up on my shelf, I can remember it's for the month of September. Alright, so this is it for me today. I will leave you with some close-up pictures. You can see all of the details, what I played with this month. All of the Hip Kit Club exclusive products go with the PinkFresh Studio product we got in the mix, and that makes me really, really happy. Please let me know if you have any questions. This was Andrea for you today for Hip Kit Club. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.